Are you in real estate and want to find an easy way to speed up your work with ChatGPT? Well, I'll show you the best ChatGPT prompts from Keywords Everywhere that realtors can use starting today. So let's get started. To get access to the ChatGPT prompts for realtors from Keywords Everywhere, you need to install the browser add-on. Once you have this installed, go to ChatGPT and you will notice this templates button on the bottom left-hand corner. When you click on it, it'll open up the ChatGPT prompts templates widget. Next, click on the category dropdown, then click on professionals, and for the subcategory, we are going to click on realtors. And these are all of the realtor prompt templates we can choose from. Let's click on the first one, cold email outreach. Now this prompt template will generate a cold email for a potential buyer or seller. You can choose from a variety of languages, different voice tones, and different writing styles. We then need to choose a prospect type, so a buying prospect or a selling prospect. Let's click on buying, and we can specify the exact call to action we want in our cold emails. I'm going to leave it as reply back to schedule a call. Lastly, we need to add the outreach context. I added my context right here. The longer and more detailed, the better the output will be. And this is our completed prompt template. So all the information we added up here automatically gets added to this template. Now you can edit this template if you wish, but I'm going to leave it as is and click on execute template. And here is the cold email that ChatGPT generated using our prompt template from Keywords Everywhere, which is right here. It provided us with the email subject, and this is the cold email copy here. It adds the context you provided in the email body. It says, I recently came across your interest in purchasing a home in Los Angeles in 2024 for under $800,000, and it continues. And at the very end, it says, please feel free to reply to this email and we can arrange a suitable time for a call. And that is our call to action we added to our prompt. And ChatGPT gave us spaces to provide our contact information. And that's how easy it is to generate a cold email using ChatGPT. Now let's go to the next prompt template. Let's click on templates. And for the templates dropdown, let's click on Listings Writer. Now this prompt will generate property listing descriptions for your websites and social media. You can choose from a variety of languages, voice tones, and writing styles. And here is where we add our property type and location. So I put 4-bedroom, 3-bath townhome in Los Angeles. We can specify how many characters we want our property listing to be, and we need to add our property description. And here is my property description, and here is our completed prompt with the information we included up here. Let's click on execute template. So ChatGPT generated a very nice listing description. Here is the Instagram post, Twitter, Facebook, and also it provided us with a TikTok video idea. Now, all we need to do to promote our listing on social media is copy and paste this text and publish it with a video or a photo, and we are all set. So this is a great prompt to use if you find trouble generating a listing description that you can use to promote your property on social media. Let's go to the next prompt. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, we are going to click on buyer preparation. Now this prompt will generate potential questions a buyer may have and generate suitable responses for those questions. Now we just need to fill out this template. We need to add our property type and location and our property description. And here is the property description. And this is our completed prompt. Let's click on execute template. So ChatGPT generated potential questions a buyer may have, and it also provided us with the answers to those questions. So you can think of this as a Q&A for your specific listing. Now let's go to the next prompt. Let's click here and click on Real Estate Dictionary. Now this prompt will produce real-world examples for real estate terms of your choice. So we just need to type in our real estate related terms. And these are my terms here. So as is, buyer's agent, listing agent, closing, and so on. And this is our prompt. Let's click on execute template. Okay, so this is a table with all of my real estate terms I added to the prompt with a definition and also a real world example to help you better understand what these real estate terms truly mean. So this is a great prompt that you can use if you are studying to become a real estate agent and pass your real estate exam. Now, keep in mind that ChatGPT may hallucinate information and it might provide you with information that is not totally correct, so you want to cross-check this with another source. But regardless, this is a great prompt that you can use to do some very quick research on the spot. Alright, so those were all of the real estate prompts I wanted to show you today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.